Guys, first fish. Caught it on my Abu Garcia Orra S. Just got it today. I'll make a review of that. But it's raining. There's like sprinkling. It was raining harder. I saw this guy over by that dock. Flipped in right by him. This is the second time he hit. I missed him the first time. Come on, ow, come on, boy. Sorry about last video, my camera was dead and I couldn't get good footage. So my camera was dying and I couldn't get very good footage, like I said. He's hooked deep. There he is. I'll go get you the release. There's probably fish over there, so I'll be quiet. And he's hanging around. So, caught him on the jigger craw. They're spawning now, I think now, or making beds. And I'll get back to you with another fish, hopefully. There's a bullfrog over here. Oh, he just hopped away. That changed. There's used to be a whole bunch of brush, but someone cut it down, and it's different now. I'm still fishing. The rain picked up more. I'm gonna try to catch more fish. See you with another fish. Guys, second fish of the day. I was fishing, casting over, and over there by that boat, something kept pecking at my bait. I got this little warmouth, or rock bass, same thing, with the jigger craw. Finally got him. I thought he got off because I didn't feel him pulling. Then I felt something on there and saw something. I thought it was a bluegill. But, ow, he stabbed me. I gotta put the camera down. I don't like these things. I think they're evil. Very evil. But it's a fish is a fish. It's better than nothing. This is what's in the creek a lot. Warmouth. Sorry I'm not being gentle with you, fish. Gotta get the hook out. And oh, he's caught again. Here's the release. Oh, okay. Get back to you with another fish. I caught a stick fish. Yeah, I just missed a big one. It's raining harder. I'm gonna go in soon, and then I'll go out afterwards. It stops raining. So